a sec. I didn't have a Rubik's Cube in my room. That's Whoa. Algorithm. I never searched this up. And I never had this Rubik's Cube. Someone must have put this here. I don't know how to solve it. Wait a second, what? You're not a normal Rubik's Cube. You're very, very abnormal. I don't know how to do that with my hands. I never learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I never had a Rubik's Cube. This is crazy. I don't know what to say. It's crazy. Algorithm. I'll keep you because you're quite an interesting one. You're not that scary. You seem to have like a weird thing inside of you that makes me able to move you so well. But something really unusual is happening here. For sure, no doubt about that. Man, that Rubik's Cube was such a weird one. Let me go back. Check on it once more. I would like to learn how to solve it right now, but I got some things to do, so yeah. Whoa, the Rubik's Cube changed. That's weird. This is not okay. This is too much. I mean, like, probably my brother came in here and brought this, but like this. Okay, this is man. This is crazy. I gotta go out of here. This Rubik's Cube is a very haunting one. I'm out. Bye bye.